one, I want to teach you guys how to play this song that was requested called Roll On by Kid Rock. I did not know this song, but I like it, so thanks for the request. All right, and let me know if this is super useful to you in learning how to play this song, okay? I'm not normally a big Kid Rock fan, but I do like this song. So, by the way, I don't know if you guys have heard his song called First Kiss. It's on like one of his more country albums. That's a dang good song too. So anyway, let's get into it. Thanks so much for subscribing to those of you who have. Those of you who haven't, please subscribe and hit like so that you can get notified when I come out with new videos. All right? All right, let's do this thing. So you're going to put a capo on the 2nd fret. I'll include a link in the description on where you can buy the capo that I use. It's a Kaiser. It was like $20, so it's a little bit more expensive for the capo, but it's freaking awesome. Like I've had it for 15 years. It's awesome, and all my buddies say that they like this one the best too. I don't get paid if you buy it. I wish I did, but I don't. So anyway, let me know if you even care about that. If you don't care about the links or whatever. All right, so you're gonna do an A chord. All right, let's go at the beginning of the song. You're gonna use A, and then you're gonna use F sharp minor. Okay. So, just like that. All right, so you're going to do a bar chord on the 2nd fret in relation to the capo, and then you're going to put your ring finger on the 4th fret in relation to the capo. This is all in relation to the capo, okay? 4th fret on the A string, and then you're going to put your pinky on the 4th fret on the D string, okay? So you should bar it, but if you can't, it's no thing, all right? And then also you're going to use E. And then you're going to use D. Okay? Now that's for the intro. There's other chords that you're going to use later on in the song. So I'm just going to, well, that's for the intro and verse, I should say. I'm going to walk you through the rest of it, okay? Because you're also going to use like B minor and F, I believe. I need to look at my notes in a sec. All right, so the intro, all right, is just like some picking. So a simple way to do it, this is not how it's exactly played, so nobody get mad at me at the comments, because this is not exactly how it's played. I'm not telling you that, okay? I don't know for sure how Kid Rock plays it or anything. I'm not worried about that. But if you want to do like some picking at the beginning, you can just pick the chords a little bit, okay? So you'll just do like A. So you'll just do, starting from the first string that you're, so the A string, okay? You just go down each string. Okay, so you'll do A, then you'll go to F sharp minor, okay? So then I did that a little bit differently. I went down and then you do, so I go down to the G string and then I hit E, D, okay? If you're having a hard time barring it, don't do that, okay? So you can just do that for each of the chords if you want to. Honestly, if I were just playing this for people, because sometimes I don't want to learn the picking, like, I mean, unless you really, really are into the song. But if you're new at guitar, just strum it. Just do the chords, okay? Strumming pattern for this song is so easy too. So what you could even do is just, all right, so you're gonna do A, just do a strum, all right, then F sharp minor, then do E, and then do D. And just do that with strums, okay? So then you're gonna start doing A, F sharp minor, E, D. Okay, so it's, I love it when you play it like, let's see, I love it when you play it like that. Come on, play. So this is a strumming pattern for the whole song, okay? It's just down, 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 down. Okay, so you're just doing down, 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 down. All right, now you can, sometimes when I'm switching chords, I'll do down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. So you could do down, 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 up when you're switching, that quick down, up, down, okay? I just think it makes it sound a little bit better. People like it. Same thing, it makes you look like a better guitarist, and it's really like a cheap trick. Okay, so now I'm going to walk you through how to play the first verse. Okay, so you're going to use that same chord progression for most of it. Okay, but you're also going to use a G and a little bit. Okay, so you're going to start with A. Sitting here alone, I'm looking back on where I've roamed. So you go A, and then on back is where you do F. I'm looking back on where I've roamed and laughing how. Okay, so how is where you go to E. How I swore I'd win and not get burned. Okay, burned is where you do D. Burned. Left, so you, left is A. Left my family, left my home, I worked is F sharp minor. I worked my fingers to the bone, and there was, okay, so we're gonna do E. There was not a stone I did not leave unturned. So unturned is where you do D. Unturned. Okay, then you're gonna do it differently. This is kind of like a pre-chorus line right here. You do G, and I was having a good time. So you just do G and then D. So G is, and I was having a good, okay, good. Like in the middle of good, you're gonna do D. Good time. Okay, so that's how you play everything up to the chorus. Okay, now for the chorus, you're gonna do A, and you're gonna do E, and you're gonna do B minor. Okay, and then you're gonna do D. Okay, so you're gonna do. So you start doing A before you start singing. You go, roll on, roll on. Okay, roll on. So you're gonna do E. Roll on, roller coaster. We're one is B minor. One day older and one step closer. Okay, then I go down, up, down. Okay. Roll on, so that's A. There's mountains, okay, mountains is E. Mountains to climb. Roll on, okay, then you do B minor on roll on. Roll on, we're on, okay, on is D. On borrowed time. Okay, then you're gonna go back like you're doing the pre-chorus. It's kind of like a post-chorus. So you do G. Roll on, roller coaster. So it's when you start saying coaster. So like middle of roller coaster, that word. Roll on, roller coaster is where you do D. Coaster. Roll on tonight. So tonight, like in the middle of the word, like kind of like two parts where you're gonna start doing A. Roll on tonight. And I would strum that a little bit, and then I would go into money and success. I don't complain about the stress. I wanted this and now it's here, so I don't complain. That's not what he says. But anyway, so that's how you play most of the song. Now you know how to play 2/3 of it. Now when you get to after the second chorus, all right, instead of, you're gonna just do roll through the same chord progression twice that you did for the chorus. You're just gonna do A, E, B minor, D. Okay, so you do that twice. Now for the bridge, you're gonna play it differently, okay? You're gonna play F. All right, so you're gonna do F. All right, just like that. You don't have to bar it, but it sounds better if you do. You're gonna do F. You're gonna do G. And you're gonna do A. You do that twice, okay? So it's gonna be and. So you do F on and at the very beginning. And I know it's hard to see. Okay, C is G. See with the sun in your eyes. Eyes is A. Eyes. Okay, just like that. Then back to F. But one day you're gonna say, so say is G. Say I saw the light. So light is A. Light. Okay, then you just go into the third verse, and then you're gonna go into the chorus at the end, and the song ends on an A chord. All right, super easy song. It's a good, fun song. Thanks for letting me. Thanks for requesting it. Let me know of other requests that you guys have. I'd love to teach them to you guys. I know I'm a little bit behind right now, and I'm sorry for some of you guys who have requested something I haven't gotten to you. I promise you, I'm trying to. I'm just a little bit backlogged, but I really do appreciate all the requests. So, and I appreciate you guys subscribing and hitting like. So thanks so much for doing that. And it's been fun, and I'll see you guys next time.